In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Zelle in 2025. Starting this process might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your checking account up and running, ready to send and receive money with ease. First things first, you want to choose the right bank or credit union that supports Zelle. Not all banks are part of the Zelle network, so you'll need to do a little research to find one that not only supports Zelle, but also lets you open an account online without visiting a branch. Some of the major banks known to support Zelle include Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Capital One. You can also check Zelle's Get Started tool to find other eligible banks or credit unions that are in network. Once you've decided on the bank, it's time to officially open your checking account online. Head over to the bank's website or mobile app and look for options like open a checking account or apply for account. You'll need to fill in some personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, or individual taxpayer identification number, and contact info like a phone number and email address. Some banks might also ask for employment or income details. Next, you'll undergo identity verification. This step is crucial as it helps protect against fraud. Your bank might ask you to upload official identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and in some cases, you might even need to take a selfie to confirm your identity. Additionally, banks may check your banking history through systems like check systems. In some cases, banks require an initial deposit to fund your new account. This can be done through an ACH transfer, debit card, or check deposit, depending on the bank's procedures. Be sure to have these ready to go so you can fund your account quickly. After submitting your application, wait for the bank to approve it. This process can be instantaneous for some banks, while others may take a few business days. Once approved, you'll receive your account number and routing number, and you might even get immediate access to a digital card. Now that your checking account is active and your bank supports Zelle, you can enroll in Zelle. Log into your bank's mobile app or online banking, locate Zelle, and look for options like Enroll with Zelle or Set up Zelle. You'll need to link an email address or US mobile phone number to your Zelle profile, as this is what others will use to send you money. Zelle will send you a verification code via email or text to confirm it's you. Once that's done, choose which bank account you want to link for sending and receiving money. Don't forget to agree to any terms and conditions set by Zelle. Finally, it's a smart move to conduct a test transaction with a trusted friend or family member who is already enrolled with Zelle. This helps ensure everything is set up correctly and gives you peace of mind that your setup is smooth and functional. And there you have it! Opening a checking account online and enabling Zelle can be straightforward with this step-by-step guide. Good luck with your new account and enjoy the convenience of seamless money transfers.